how to unapply on ZipRecruiter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can unapply the jobs that we applied for on ZipRecruiter. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you applied for a certain job on ZipRecruiter and now you decide that you would like to cancel your application and you don't want to apply for that job, well, unfortunately, you can't withdraw your application or resume from consideration after applying for a job because they immediately notify employers of your application. However, if a hiring manager does contact you and you're no longer interested in the position, you can simply let them know that you're not interested. Now, you can opt out of ZipRecruiter resume database at any time as well, and you can also choose to hide your profile if that's what you see fit, but the best option here would be to let the hiring manager contact you and just let them politely know that you are not interested, because once you apply for a certain job, there is no option to unapply. I hope that this video helped to clear your doubt. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.